Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofi. Okay, so in today's video, I want to make a tutorial on how to use Google Earth Pro and ArcGIS to do land use land cover mapping. The popular way of doing land use land cover mapping is going to USG Explorer. You download the Landsat, maybe 7 or 11 bands. Then you come to the ArcGIS. Then you combine the 7 bands through the composite banding technique. Then after that, you do the clipping and you start doing your classification. Others also use Google Earth Engine, yes, but there is also this particular way where you use the Google Earth Pro software. So you download image from the Google Earth Pro software, then you import it into the ArcGIS software. Then after that, you do the georeferencing. So this is an image I downloaded from the ArcGIS software, Google Earth Pro software, and I have done the georeferencing, and it is left for me to start the classification. So if you want to know how to download image from Google Earth Pro and do the georeferencing in the ArcGIS software, then you can check the videos. That is the links over there. Those videos will teach you how you can download image from Google Earth Pro software and georeference them in ArcGIS like I have done. Yes, so I downloaded the image with the coordinates, and now I am done with the georeferencing. So in this video, I will just go right away to start the classification and the land use land cover mapping. So that is it. So another thing is that you see, the land use land cover mapping always has to do with a historic image and a current image, a historic data and a current data. So to download the historic data in Google Earth Pro software, you just search for your study area. So let's say Kumasi, Ghana. You just search for your study area. So after searching for your study area, then let's say this is your study area. Do you get it? So maybe you zoom into your study area like this. This is my study area. To download a historic image from the Google Earth Pro software, you see this particular feature. Show historical image. Use the time slider to move between acquisition dates. Have you seen that? You select that one. Then you move the slide backward. So this is 2016, how the area was looking like. This is 2015. You can also move between the months. So January 2015, June 2015, then yes, do you get it? Yes, so you can move that back to your preferred historic year. So this is 2002, how the area was looking like. So assuming you want to do a land cover mapping for 2002, you can download the 2000, this is 2001. Have you seen that? 2001, how the area was looking like. If the network is very strong, this blurry area will vanish and it will be clearer for you to download. Then we have maybe 2007, 2011. This is how the area was looking like. Do you get it? Then so this is how you download a historic image, and you can download the historic image and the current image. So I downloaded the 2015 image and a current image, and now this is the georeference of the 2015 image. So that is what I am going to use, and after that I will do the 2015. I will repeat the same process for 2015, not in this video, but after you are done, you know how to repeat the same process for all the years that you would like to do land cover mapping for. So that is how you download a historic image in Google Earth Pro software. Like I said, as I said earlier, if you want to know how to download image from Google Earth Pro software and georeference it in ArcGIS, the videos I recommended are there for you. You can check those videos out. So now let us start. When you are done with your georeferencing, you can just right click, then you go to data properties, then you choose a coordinate system. This is a preferred coordinate system based on Ghana, where I live. I'll select that one. When you are done with that, then now you go to search. No, you won't go to search first. You have to drag the boundary of your study area because we are going to do the clipping. So this is the boundary. So I'm going for the boundary. So this is the boundary of the area I am working at. So after you drag it, you go to search, then you search for clip. Do you get it? This is where you can also find the search pane over here. This is the search. So clip, then you choose the data management, clip data management. You choose that one. So when you choose it, in the first input, you select this, then you choose the raster image you are working with. This is it, 2015 JPEG. So I have selected that one from here. Then you come to the next one, then you select the boundary of the shapefile of your study area. That is the boundary. Do you get it? When you are done, then you come here, you maintain this, you check this and this. Do you get it? If you don't check it, the image will not be clipped to look like your study boundary. Do you get it? So you check the two, then you come here. Now I am specifying where I want it to be saved. You can write something like clipped 2015. What are they saying? Input name multi-grade stacks cannot have. So the name is too long. That's what they are telling me. So maybe C 2015. The name was too long. Then you click OK. It didn't work. So let us try this. The same process, data management, 2015 JPEG, boundary. You will check the two, but we won't specify where we want to save it. Then we click OK. Now it came. So that is it. Sometimes if you specify where you want to save it, it won't do. I don't know why it does. It happens that way. Yeah, so if you specify, and ideally you should specify where you want to save it, but that is how sometimes it behaves. So after you are done, then you just check the two boxes over there, then you click OK. Yes, it will come like this. After that, you can just come to data and export it to the folder you want to save it, or you can just work with it like this. So now you come to the table of content, you uncheck this, then you uncheck the boundary. Have you seen that? So now we've clipped the boundary. So now you can come to the georeferencing. Have you seen update georeferencing? Update display, yes. So you can select that one too. Now it's time to do the classification. So with the image classification toolbar, let's see if it has already been activated. Image classification, this is it. It wasn't activated, so I will activate it and bring it here. Image classification. I thought it was there. So this is it. So you have the ISO cluster unsupervised maximum. So let us try the ISO classified, ISO unsupervised. So if you select that one, and there are sometimes you see that when you are doing when you want to do the classification, you see that the classifications will not be highlighted. Did you get it? Yeah, I want to show you something. So if you go to the customized extension, assuming I'm showing you something, so you see all these classification options they are off. You can't select them. If yours is like that, then it means these particular features are not selected. So you come and check all of them, then you click OK. You come back and they are there. So now let us try the ISO cluster unsupervised classification. So you select that one, you come here. Now we have two images, the clip and the general one. So you select the clip one. Now I just want to do two classification, only two, developed and undeveloped. Do you get it? Yes. Like I said, you can specify where you want to save it, but let's just go. So you leave everything, then you click OK. Damn, have you seen it? So now the ISO cluster unsupervised classification is done. So we know that now if you come to the table of content and you uncheck it, you see that the blue one, the blue color, is on the vegetation color. The vegetation area? Have you seen that? Whilst the green areas is on the developed area. Have you seen that? Let's zoom in. Have you seen it? So that is it. That is it. The unsupervised. I'm sure maybe you know it already. Just that you are here to know how to actually do it. So the unsupervised classification is done. Do you get it? So the first one is for vegetation. So you can just hover, just right click, go to properties. Symbology. So the first one is vegetation or green space. I don't know how you prefer it. Then you change the color to fair green. Then second one is maybe developed area. Have you seen that? Then you change the color to, let's say, red, or to your preferred color. So this is it. Have you seen that? Yes. So that is how it is. That is how it is done. Great. So now let us try the supervised one. So assuming with the supervised one, you are not okay, you are not comfortable with the unsupervised one, then you can just do the supervised one, where you tell the software that if you see this color, make it developed area. If you see a color like this, make it vegetation or green space. So you come to the image classification toolbar, you select here, we have circle, rectangle and polygon. So maybe I like the circle. You select it, then you draw a circle like this. Whilst you are drawing, you can activate this, place it here, draw a circle. You see, then they will just be listing one after the other. Draw the circle, just draw them. Have you seen it? Move it down, there is a green space over here, then you draw it. Have you seen it? Here. So we can even zoom in and pick a sample over here. There's a green space here. There's a green space here. Another one over here. Have you seen that? When you are done, then you come here, you select the first one, you scroll to the down, then you shift, select the first one, we press shift and select the last one. They will group. Then you come here, then you merge them together, then you name them vegetation. Have you seen that? When you are done, then you can do the same for the vegetation greens developed area. So you select the circle again. You can also use the rectangle to do the selection, the polygon. You can just, you get it, do the same for the polygon, rectangle, but me, I like the circle. So you just select that one, then you pick the samples. Here is the developed area, here is the developed area, here is the developed, here is the developed area. Have you seen that? Then you just pick the samples. When you are done, you see vegetation is already here, so you just select the second one, you come to the last one, then shift, then you select it. See, the first one is not selected, yes, then you merge them, then maybe you write developed. Do you get it? When you are done, then you come to the classification. You see that the first one is now available to select, then you select it. Great. Now it is done. Have you seen that? Yeah, now it is done. So let's compare that one to the unsupervised one. So this is the unsupervised one under it. If you uncheck the supervised one, the interactive supervised, okay, are they similar? Let us change the color. The first one to green, the second one to the same red. So let's check the first one. I think they are the same. Do you get it? But there might be instances where maybe the supervised classification will not fit what you need. Do you get it? There are some times where the supervised classification will not be accurate as you want, and in that instance you would want to use the supervised one. Do you get it? Another way to do the supervised one is that you just come here after you are done with the samples. You can come here, you see, create signature, then you create a signature file, then you save the signature file in your preferred folder. So this is my preferred folder. I am locating the folder. Okay, signature 1. When it is done saving, then you can come to the maximum likelihood, then you select that one. Then in the first pane you select the clip one. You know, we are using the clipped image. Do you get it? So it is already selected over here. You come here, they will tell you to input signature file. You select it, then you locate the folder that the signature file is located in. So this is the folder. I'll come here and select the folder. Then you just click it. Okay. You see, it is also done. We know the first one is green. And the second one is red, which is developed. Have you seen that? So the first one is maximum likelihood. The second one is interactive. The third one is ISO cluster. So do you see any difference? I think they are the same. But like I said, there will be more instances where they will not fit your accurate or your preferred classification, what you really want. And in that way, you'll have to know which one to choose. And to the best of my knowledge, the ISO cluster is less accurate than the two classified ones. Whilst between these two, this one is less accurate than the maximum likelihood. Do you get it? The ISO cluster is less accurate than these two, and between these two, the first one is less accurate than this one. So this one is more accurate than all of them. Do you get it? So it depends on the one you use, like I said. So now we are done with the classification. So if you know how to do it right now that we are done, we can do the same, repeat the same process for 2025 image. Do you get it? You repeat the same process for 2025 image, then you just go to your data view. Do you get it? You go to your data view, then you design the two maps. Do you get it? So you can just come here. Now that you are done, you don't need these. You see the circle, you don't need them again. So you just come here. You just activate them, then you clear them. Yeah, you see how I cleared it? You use this, then you clear them. You don't need them again. Then you switch to the layout view. Then fast forward. You just design it to your perfection. Have you seen that? Yeah, you just design it to your perfection. So that is how you use Google Earth Pro to do land use land cover mapping. So now this is 2015. When you design the map and you are done, then you can repeat the same process and do land use land cover map for 2025. Do you see that? Yes. So this is the 2025 image. But before that, if you want to know how to design a map, in case you don't know how to design a map, how to add the scale, how to add the title, how to arrange a written, like I said, I have this particular video. It will teach you how to design a map. This first video will teach you how to design a map, and in this particular video I designed an accessibility map. So do you get it? So if you want to learn how to design a map at the layout view, you can check these two videos. They will guide you in case you don't know how to go about designing this particular map at this stage. So that is how we do it. So now that we are done, let me go to new documents. I am not going to repeat the same process, but like I said, assuming you see I have downloaded 2015 and 2025 images. So now I am done with 2015. Do you see that? Yes, I am done with 2015. So I can repeat the same process for 2025 so that I'll get the 2 years. Do you get it? So assuming I am done with 2015, I have designed the map, then you just go to new document. Do you get it? So this is the 2025 image. Then I'll just drag it and repeat the same process. Do you get it? And design it, and I'll get land use land cover map for the 2 years. Do you get it? Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and help me to grow. If you found this video helpful, you can like it, drop a comment or a question in the comment section, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.